syempre for work to. So, let's do the hustle and let's make this good fun. Sana makapag-food trip na tayo sa mga susunod na araw. Today is Thursday, May 28. So, nandito tayo para sa hearing tomorrow and then on Saturday, uwi tayo. So, sana makagala-gala pa at makafood trip tayo after hearing. Gala-gala.
Umabot sa billboard yan.
Dito yung Roberto's. Dari ka sa taiyan.
Ayun, oo.
Para isa.
Shopang. Yun ba yung malaki?
Opo, ma'am.
Tapos parang may mga fishball pa. Meatballs pa yun. Ayun.
Ay, may ano nabigyan sa kilid to.
Good morning, everyone. So, it's our day 2 here in Iloilo. And we're already prepared para sa breakfast. Nag-prepare para sa breakfast.
The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me everything.
Now, here's our OOTD for the hearing. O, diba? 2 bags, case folder, and then my personal bag. So, we're having lunch here at Dave's Hotel.
It's you and me on this beautiful day.
Yeah.
I'm smiling, holding on to your tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far.
So, this is the Hall of Justice of
No way too deep,
Iloilo.
I won't wait till inside. Baby,
Hey, we are finally done sa preliminary investigation. So,
there's so
let's
much
go.
love to give.
Nakapahinga
Something's
after
telling
work.
me it's right.
Ngayon, ready
When
na
you
tayo.
came to me,
Hinihintay na lang
oh, I
tayo
knew
ng sundo
it's you,
para
yeah,
makapag-dinner.
boy. The one who showed me
Sobrang
now
sarap
and
nung kinainin
forever.
namin yung
No,
first
you'll never be
meal ko.
alone
Lunch
again.
yun, yung
All
tatoy.
day, oh yeah, all
Ang
day.
nagustuhan ko talaga. Siyempre, native chicken. Okay din naman yung tapos. Pero ang pinakamarami kong nakain talaga, yung oyster nila, baked talaba, baked oyster na may cheese, sobrang sarap. Excited na ako mag-food trip. Kasi so far, lahat ng pinakainan namin dito sa Iloilo, lahat masarap. So, this is the pool area. Oh, this is the gym. Ay, may mga tao. Oh, medyo hidden pala ang pool area. So, yun. Sinilap ko lang yung pool area and yung gym. Maliit lang naman. Pero decent. Pero hindi na tayo makakapag-swimming kasi susunduin tayo ni client now for dinner. Baka tomorrow try natin kung kaya pa ng schedule. Anyway, ang flight naman natin ay hapon pa. check lang ulit kasi we're going out for dinner. Susunduin tayo ni client ng contents. Tingnan. Dito sa Japanese restaurant. Although mayroon naman ito sa Metro Manila, pero ito kasi mas convenient. Wala kasing masyadong tao. So we are now heading back to our group. So we'll stay here. Susunod na tayo para breakfast tapos makapag-balik muna. Kakaiba po yung puto dito. Yung usual puto po namin, parang yung siya pack ng ganito. Parang individual lang, tapos nasa isang malaking bag. Gano'n. Nagkakaiba po. So, yeah. Isang ko po ito.
Wow, parang short. Ito nyo, medyo short ito na size.
Coffee run lang muna bago tayo mag-head sa ating destination. Let's go!
Gusto nyo naman po sa mga kayo na target. Ma'am, dyan naman sa kayo mag-exam sa mga.
Okay, sige. Salamat. Grabe, 10,000 steps pala yun. So, on the way to Lapit na kami nito.
Lead me, Lord. Lead me by the hand and help me face the rising sun. Comfort me through all the pain life may bring. There's no
Holy Week,
other hope that I can lean upon. Lead me, Lord. Lead me all my life. Walk by me across the lonely roads that I may face. Take my arms and let your hand show me the way. Show the way to live inside your heart all my days, all my life. You are my light, you're the lamp upon my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need you.
Tara, back to the world na tayo.
You are my light. I cannot live
1,000 steps
Let me
all the way to
stay
heaven. Ito
by
ang view
your
mula sa taas. So we just came back from our short trip. Ngayon, mag-check out na kami dito sa hotel. Nakabili na tayo ng pasalubong, nakabili na rin tayo ng lunch, kaya let's go, boarding na po. Thank you, Iloilo.